You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
Sometimes fortune gives us a chance to notice the danger in order to take decisive action on our own. Either he drives like this every day, or he is always very lucky and he does not even imagine that anything can happen to him. Dismantling a building is not an easy and responsible process, just because it is important to take into account all the nuances and comply with safety rules. Judging by the amount of dust, not only these guys are not working well, but also the local cleaners. Can you imagine the rush of adrenaline he felt? He managed to develop such a high speed that he was able to overtake the avalanche. The only sure way to test the helmet for durability. The excavator operator surprisingly used the crane boom for other purposes and saved himself. It is not for nothing that they say that luck accompanies the brave. Such moments are not uncommon when doing freeride. What happens if the dump truck platform is not lowered? The driver from Virginia answers. Fortunately, there were no casualties except for the truck, but a couple of road lanes still had to be closed for a while. One more second and it would be impossible to watch this video without sympathy. When something as graceful as a windmill falls, you definitely don't want to get in its way. It's hard to tell if he's just lucky or if he's so good at driving a car. Anyway, it's just incredible that there were no injuries. Even if the driver has never ridden on the rides, now he knows what it's like. The driver of the car was lucky to see the plane take off as close as possible, but at the same time remain unharmed. Although he was in the wrong place at the wrong time, by some miracle he managed to survive. It's good that experience and intuition told him to check the slope. Otherwise skiing would have ended prematurely and lamentably today. What inspired the builders? The Leaning Tower of Pisa? People in the car have the right to celebrate a new birthday together. If it were not for a tree on the road, it is not known how everything would end for them. Nothing special. It's just that this foreman prefers to personally monitor the progress of the work. Do you think he just heard a distinctive rustle, or did he have a premonition? The truck driver forgot that he is not a hero of the Fast and Furious and his vehicle is not designed for such maneuvers. Did he even notice that he was not just diving into the water, but risking his life? This is not how he planned to land, but it turned out to be incredibly spectacular, and most importantly without unpleasant consequences.